Hey guys, this is Richard from High Tech Battery. Today I'm going to show you how to use your GBX155 to start your vehicle. Here I have a Ford Bronco. I'm already have the hood popped. I'm in the battery compartment. Let's go ahead and connect the GBX155. First thing we do is locate the battery. We will go ahead and remove that to expose our positive terminal. Now I'm going to connect negative to negative, positive to positive. The order in which you connect these does not make a difference. Our jump starter is off. It is okay if you connect positive first or negative. So I'll connect them to my terminals. I'll make sure that we're tight, we're on the terminals. Then I will go ahead and engage the jump starter by hitting the on button. Here, I'll see the trailing lights and then my solid white light. This means my jump starter is fully engaged. It recognizes there's a battery there and it's ready to rock. So you go ahead and flip the key, turn the key, press the button, however you start your vehicle, and it will start with the GBX155. After it's been started, you're going to go ahead and hit your power button to turn the unit off. Now, the GBX155 has a 60-second timer, so you need to start the vehicle within that 60 seconds. It's more than enough time to connect your leads, turn it on, go to the driver's side, start the vehicle, and be good to go. Make sure you turn the GBX155 off after you're done starting the vehicle. See the override video if, when you connect your GBX155, you turn it on and you don't get your trailing lights. If you don't get the trailing lights and it's properly connected, watch the override video to show you how to use the GBX155 to still start your vehicle.